What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to take a look at my fire kit, what I carry with me when I go hiking, camping, backpacking, that sort of thing as a backup fire starting method. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so if you're anything like me, I never like to go away from home without means to build a fire. So one thing I always carry on me is this mini Bic. Always with me, always in my pocket, I always have that. But I always like to have a secondary means of fire making. So what I have for my fire kit is lightweight, packable, and goes very well. Don't even know it's there unless you need it. So first component of this is the Charade Fire Striker and Fire Steel. All right, so this I did a review on. I'll put a card up top. I did a review on this a while back, and it is a very well made for the price fire striker. What I've done here is I have wrapped some fire cord around the handle just to give a little extra grip, and also to serve as a little extra tinder if need be. So I took off the cheap lanyard that was on that and added in some paracord. Now I put a small loop on the striker just to give me a little range with that. The second component is this stainless steel pill holder keychain pill case. So what we have in here is just big enough, and it's waterproof with an O-ring here, and it actually comes with two extra O-rings. But in here I have a piece of cotton, or a cotton ball. Fits a whole cotton ball in here, just to give me one more piece of tinder if the need arises. And that is watertight, and it's on there. And on this lanyard, it goes around your wrist if you need to do work, move things. It is there, gather firewood, whatever. And I don't like it around your neck. I'm not a fan of that, but like this is a really good kit. I modified it a little bit since I purchased this Charade Fire Steel. Now, another component that I like to add in if the weather is calling for any % chance of rain is I have a small dry bag. And what I'll do is I'll actually store this fire kit in that dry bag, and along the trail, if I come across tinder, some bark, some dry material, I'll put in that dry bag and put it in my bag, and it keeps it dry, gives me guaranteed tinder along with the other things I have in my fire kit to be able to build a fire if the need arises, if I need to use those materials to build a fire. And like I said, I do not carry that dry bag every time I go. I only carry it in times when there's I would say a 20 or more % chance of rain for my trip. Then I carry it. A backup fire kit that I carry with me when I go hiking, backpacking, that sort of thing. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Make sure to drop me a comment. Let me know what you carry for a fire kit. If it's something similar, something the same, I love reading the comments. I love getting new ideas. So if y'all have something better, let me know. Also, if you haven't, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. And as always, from the Bearded Outdoorsman, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.